move a bit closer in, both of you.
Take it off in 22.
Take my hand.
Yup, the drift. Giving academia.
Another place in outer space. We can walk around the universe. And tonight, and through the doors, through the passages that lay inside your mind, we'll take a look inside, and I'll show you
Chicken cookies.
the wonders and why. So let's fly up to the moon.
Hi, teacher.
Stars from high above. With no wind and no clouds, only love. Wow. And we'll dance along the Milky Way. Hope that you feel the same about me, about us,
Hi, my name is Ada, and this is me before the soy chocolate.
This is the white chocolate.
Hello, my name is Julianne. This is me before the milk chocolate. I am Lauren, and this is me before the milk hot chocolate.
How would you describe your post chocolate milk?
Feeling
Chocolate hot. Yeah, that.
Feeling warm and toasty. Chocolate milk is thick.
Crazy like me.
Andrew kind of caked up on a Tuesday, and it was Wednesday.
won't you just come on over? Let's share the blankets on my bed. Lay here instead.
Oh my